community, guided by a faith and informed by science to confront one of the most pressing challenges of our generation, climate change. The theme of our summit reminds us to trust. First, our faith teaches us stewardship of the earth in Khalifa Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, entrusted to care for creation. Second, faith must always be translated into action. Today, this means adopting sustainable practices, strengthening disaster preparedness, and fostering resilience in our communities. As a director of the Bureau of Muslim Settlement, I am proud to organize this summit with the support of the NCMM and our partners. Our Bureau mission to empower Muslim communities and inseparable from climate action, for it is our people who lie in vulnerable areas most affected floods, landslide, and other hazards. This summit aims to deepen awareness, strengthen collaboration, and formalize our commitment through the signing of the Islamic Declaration on Climate Change Action. This declaration is more than document. It is a pledge that we will act together, inspired by our faith, driven by our responsibility to future generations. Friends, challenge of climate change is daunting, but it is also give us the opportunity to demonstrate unity, leadership, and faith in action. Let us be guided by our organic verse. Do not cause a corruption upon the earth after its reformation. Surah Arab. In closing, I extend my gratitude to all our guests and participants. May this summit inspire concrete programs, stronger partnership, and resilient Muslim community that leads by example in climate action.